Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of EasySpeak English Podcast. This is John, your host, and I'm really excited today because I'm going to share with you 7 fresh and effective habits that can take your spoken English fluency to the next level. We all know the usual tips like shadowing or speaking aloud every day. Those are great. But today we're focusing on something different. These habits are practical, easy to do at home, and they don't require much time. If you practice them regularly, you'll notice yourself speaking more smoothly and confidently. So, ready? Let's dive in. Habit 1. Mini storytelling. The first habit is called mini storytelling. It's super simple. You take a very short piece of English content and retell it using your own words. Start by finding something short, maybe a 1-2 minute clip from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, a podcast segment, or even a quick news update. Watch or listen carefully, paying attention to the main events. Don't stress about understanding every single word. Just get the big picture. Once it's finished, pause and immediately retell what happened in your own simple sentences. For example, if you watch a clip where a dog chases a ball, falls into a pool, and then shakes off the water looking surprised, you could say, "The dog was running after a ball. Suddenly it fell into the water. Then it shook itself dry and looked funny." That's it. No need for perfect grammar or long explanations. This habit trains your brain to recall vocabulary quickly. Helps you produce real sentences on the spot, builds your confidence, and makes your speech flow better over time. Spend just a few minutes daily and you'll see real progress. So, habit 2, prepared replies. Next up is prepared replies. In real conversations, people often catch us off guard with questions or comments, and we freeze trying to think of what to say. This habit fixes that by getting you ready in advance. We prepare short, natural responses for common everyday situations. For instance, if someone compliments you by saying, "Your shirt looks great," you can have these ready. "Thank you, that's really nice of you." Or, "Thanks a lot, I appreciate it." Or, "Aw, you're too kind." Another common one, "How was your day?" Possible replies. "It was pretty good, thanks. I just relaxed." Or, "Not bad, I got some work done." Or, "Amazing, I tried a new cafe." How to build this habit. Every day, pick one common situation. Come up with 2 to 3 natural responses. Practice saying them out loud a few times and imagine using them in real life. Over weeks, these will become automatic, reducing hesitation and making you sound much more fluent. So, habit 3, 2-minute opinions. Habit number 3 is 2-minute opinions. This one helps you express your own thoughts freely, which is exactly what fluent speakers do. Choose a short piece of content, a photo, a quote, a 30-second video, or a podcast intro. After watching or listening, set a timer for 2 minutes and speak non-stop about your reaction. Talk about what you liked, what surprised you, if it reminds you of something, or how you feel about it. Example: you see a video of someone cooking a huge meal. You could say, "Wow, that looks delicious. I love how they used so many fresh vegetables. It makes me hungry just watching." Ya should try making something like this on the weekend. Maybe pasta with sauce. My family would love it. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to keep talking and think in English. This builds speed, vocabulary connection, and the ability to share personal ideas naturally. So, habit 4, personal phrase collection. The fourth habit is building your own personal phrase collection, like a toolbox full of ready-to-use expressions. Fluent speakers don't create every sentence from scratch. They use common chunks of language. So, every day, while listening to English, notice useful phrases that sound natural. Write them down with their meaning and an example. For example, no worries, bam, meaning it's okay. Don't stress. Example: sorry I forgot. No worries. Then repeat the phrase aloud several times, feeling the rhythm. Finally, try using it in your daily life. Aim for 1 or 2 new phrases per day. In a few months, you'll have hundreds of these chunks that make your speech smoother and more authentic. So, habit 5, variation circles. Habit 5 is variation circles, my personal favorite. It teaches you to say the same idea in multiple ways, which is a key to true fluency. Yeah, pick a simple topic like what I did this morning. First, say it basically, then say it again with more details. Finally, add emotion or opinion. By circling the same idea with different words, structures, and feelings, you train flexibility. Fluent people do this naturally. Now you can too. So, habit 6, 10-second imitation. Number 6 is fun, 10-second imitation. Choose any 10-second part of a movie, series, or video. Watch it a couple of times. Then imitate exactly. Copy the words, intonation, pauses, speed, and even facial expressions, if you can. Act it out like you're the character. His trains your pronunciation, rhythm, and natural stress patterns. It helps your mouth and ears work together better. So, habit 7, imagine and respond. The last habit is imagine and respond. This is mental rehearsal for real-life situations. Think of a common scenario. Close your eyes, imagine it happening, and speak your part out loud as if it's real. Practicing mentally prepares your brain, so when the real moment comes, words flow easily without panic. Yeah, there you have it. 7 powerful, everyday habits to boost your spoken fluency. You don't need hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes daily will make a huge difference. Fluency comes from consistent small actions, not overnight magic. Keep practicing, stay patient with yourself, and celebrate every improvement. This is John from EasySpeak English Podcast. Thank you for listening today. See you tomorrow.